Hello adventurers and welcome back to another video of Fable Beard Company. I am the Apprentice and we are continuing our journey today on my beard growth.
May your beards be forever blessed and treasure forever upon your door.
All right, we have hit week 3. Well, we are finishing up week 3 and I tell you what, from last week, the biggest change that I'm seeing is this area is definitely growing in and I am not feeling the same way that I did before. Last week, I had that whole hesitation wanting to kind of trim up around my neck and getting a little frustrated with how it looked. I was kind of feeling gross about the whole thing, but although it's not great, it's not exactly how I want it, I'm definitely feeling more confident about the way that my facial hair looks. Even my students are saying, all right, it's growing back. And I acknowledge that. I see that they can see it, and that's something that makes me happy with when other people are able to see the progress that I'm going through. In addition to that, some of my morning routine has been changing. Now, I have been using oil in the morning, and I have been using butter at night. But I've started to notice that maybe in the morning, I can start to maybe use balm. Of course, it's not long, it's not necessarily there for styling, but I'm thinking that it could be there for starting to condition it in the morning and having it stay conditioned throughout the day. But also, I'm starting to get a little bit of flyaways. I'm getting certain parts of my beard that are sticking in directions that I don't want. And since it's definitely not long enough for me to use a comb, I'll use balm and even my brush now. So I've been starting to brush my beard in the morning and before I go to bed. Obviously, it's not a huge effect on the length that it is right now, but because of the practice that I'm doing for it, I feel as though when the time comes that my beard is longer, I'll have that habit back. I'll start reevaluating how I should be adjusting my beard in the morning and taking care of it. I'll know how to assess what it looked like by the evening. Having the practice of going through the routine as if my beard was longer is a healthy habit. I'm thinking that that's what I should be doing. And if you guys are kind of in a similar state where I am, where you're trying to grow out your beard, I recommend that you do the same thing. Start to build those practices, even if you're in the early stages of your beard growth. Well, other than the fact that I'm starting to consider using balm and starting to use my brush, and I'm starting to be a bit more confident in the way that my beard looks, that's really all that has changed this week. And something tells me that not a lot is going to change in the future weeks, because now that I'm comfortable with how it looks, I'll just try to keep you guys updated regarding the length. I'll keep you updated regarding, my how I feel about my appearance, because that's what this whole journey is. It's how we feel about, the way that other people might see us or how we view ourselves. So adventurers, thank you for staying tuned for this short little video. We really appreciate everything that you've been doing for us. And as we always say, may your beards be forever blessed and fortune forever upon your door. Have a wonderful day.